Hey folks, in this video, I'm cooking a very simple, basic chili recipe. This is a recipe my dad cooked, grew up eating it. I've tried a lot of different ones. I've added a lot of ingredients to my chili over the years, but I keep going back home to this basic recipe. So I'll show you what I've got in it. So I've got about a pound of ground beef browned up here, and I just chopped up a small onion. You can use a yellow onion or a sweet onion, really like a sweet onion if I have one. Now I'm going in with 4 cans of kidney beans, 2 light red and 2 of the dark red. Those are 15.5 ounce cans. I drained them, but I didn't rinse them. Just a little bit of minced garlic. Fresh is better if you've got it. A little salt. You probably start out with about a half teaspoon, something like that, and just keep adding to it until you get it where you want it. And I'm going to go in with some black pepper. This is actually coarse ground black pepper. And then the last seasoning is about 3 tablespoons of a good chili powder of your choice. And again, just like I said with the salt, the pepper, you can adjust that to suit you. And I called it 3 tablespoons, but I'm just doing 3 pretty good heaping spoonfuls. We'll mix this all up. I'm putting a 46 ounce can of tomato juice. I've got the heat pumped up on this to high. What I'm going to do is let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down, put a lid on it, and let it simmer for a while. The meat's already cooked, but what I want is for my peppers and onions to get soft and allow for the seasonings to kind of blend together. While the chili's finishing up, I'm going to make us a couple grilled cheeses, and I've got some pepper jack cheese sliced and some mild cheddar. And the bread, nothing really special. If you've got some good bread of some kind, that would be a good time to use that. But I'm just going to put a piece of each on these. Start with the cheddar and then just kind of overlap the pepper jack. You can use as much as you want, and there's nothing wrong with just plain old American cheese, but sometimes we like to do things a little different. Put a little butter in a skillet, and I'm also going to drizzle just a dab of olive oil. Let that butter melt. And I've got these turned down on medium. I don't want to cook it too fast because I want to let the cheese melt. And you can even put a lid on there. As a matter of fact, I think that I will borrow the lid from the chili. Chili's coming along pretty nicely.